A target of 188 was never enough. That is what the experts believed. India though believed in themselves, and Kohli and his boys ensured 188 seemed too far a cry for the Aussies. Umesh roared with pace and accuracy, and Ashwin came back for his second spell to pick up a 6 for Jadeja and Ishan playing suitable allies whenever it was needed. A win by 75 runs for the Indians, rolling back the clock to day one stumps would have made seemed like a joke. But the Indians never relented after that, and the end result is a huge win. This might be a series deciding one. The Border Gavaskar was on the line had it been a loss for India. But it was not to be. India bowled out for 189 on day one of the test match, after winning the toss and electing to bat first. That is what made headlines. Indian bowlers fought back on day two with a disciplined show. Australia took a lead of 87 on day three. India were still on the back foot. But Puhara and Rahane had other ideas. They decided to own the final session on day 3 to take India to partial safety. Day 4, first session, and Stark with his ferocious swing and pace picked Rahane and Nair off back-to-back balls. Hazlewood chipped in and India could only manage 187 as a lead. Now, about the notable performances of the test. Nathan Lyon on day 1 picked up 8 for 50 with some traditional off-spinners. The seam pointing inwards, overspin imparted, and that was enough to skittle the Indians out for 189. India had an underused Jadeja as answer to it, who ended up picking 6 for 63. Renshaw and Marsh made hard 50s on a track where it can be celebrated as hundreds. Hazlewood and Stark showed what pace and swing can do even on a slow, low turner. And Ashwin putting the icing with another fantabulous show. After pushed on the back foot on day 1, and then conceding an 87-run lead after the second innings, the credit must go to the Indians to stay positive out there. They were confident, and that transpired into the field. Cheteshwar Puhara and Ajinkya Rahane's partnership in the third innings gave India a chance to fight back. Also not to forget KL Rahul's 90 in the first innings and Jadeja's 6 for in the second. And then when on top, they took the last 6 Australian wickets for just 11 runs. This speaks volumes of the current Indian side. Thank you.